Good morning, Pam here from the Perfect Balance Kitchen Confidential, and I want to have a quick talk today about the perfect meal. Now, I just went yesterday to talk to my daughter's soccer team at St. Mary's to try to help educate the ladies on the best way to fuel themselves, but it really applies to everybody. The perfect meal has a protein, a carb, and a fat, and the great thing is you get to choose. For example, my lunch today, I'm gonna have a turkey burger with some balsamic onions on top, yum. And then my carb is actually my vegetables, which I don't think people know or realize that fruits and veggies are carbs. It's my day off. I don't need to have sweet potatoes or regular potatoes. My body's not gonna use a lot of energy, so I prefer to get my carbs from veggies. What am I doing for later? I just got done cutting up a whole bunch of cauliflower because we love buffalo cauliflower. Now, back in the day in college, I worked at the best wing place ever in Columbus, Ohio. Shout out to Gibby's, where I used to eat lots of wings, lots of fries dipped in wing sauce and blue cheese dressing, and carried a significant amount more weight than I do now. But regardless, I love wings. Here's a nice way to get the wing taste without actually eating chicken wings. But cauliflower is gonna be my carb tonight. What I was telling the gals and what I want to help my clients and people with, educating them, is if you have a meal with all sugar, like say, for example, cereal, you're gonna crash. I would love it if most of your foods didn't even come with a nutrition label. Those are the best foods for you. So if you have a bowl of, say, granola or any box cereal, if you look at the label, it's gonna be mostly carbs, which turn into sugar. You're gonna feel great for 20 or 30 minutes, and then you're gonna crash. If you love cereal, the best time to have it is about 20 to 30 minutes before you work out. That's gonna give you amazing energy for your workout. But for a meal, not as great because it has very little protein and very little fat. What's my fat today? My fat for lunch, a little goat cheese on top of my turkey burger, and there's some nuts in my big coleslaw salad. I hope this helps. Any questions, feel free to email me at pam@theperfectbalance.guru. Have a great Saturday.